Welcome everyone, I have this normal video here, you can see it's 4 seconds and I've edited it into a 31-second slow motion video. To get this started, you will need the iMovie app. This is completely free from the App Store, it's built into your iPhone, and once you have it, let's open this one up and then you should see start new project. And we're going to start a movie project. And just select the video you want to slow down, and then we'll create movie. If the video is not in the right aspect ratio, so like if you're doing a portrait video and it's zoomed in, tap this magnifier and then it should fix the ratio. If not, you can always pinch to zoom in or out if you would like. I'm going to undo those changes. So to slow down, tap on your clip, tap on the speed icon, and just drag this all the way to the left. Now keep in mind, because you recorded a regular video, the slow motion may look a little bit choppy. If the video was in 60 FPS, the slow motion will look good at half speed. 30 FPS, if you slow it down, it will not look good at all, but it will be in slow motion. Once you're happy with your slow motion, I want you to tap on done. And then we're going to tap on the share icon. We're going to tap on options. Make sure the resolution is set to the highest. And if you have HDR, you can turn that one on. If there's a frame rate option, set that to the highest. And once we're done, let's save the video like this. And it's going to export. And now I go to the photos. We have the slow motion video here. You can see 4 seconds original, 31 edited. If you did use portrait video, you may need to go into edit, crop tool, and if you have black bars, just swipe across to remove the black bars and tap on done. With that being said, if you'd like to help support the channel, please do check the description. Bye bye.